You searched how to buy shares of Canterbury Park Holding Corp. Canterbury Park operates a racetrack and entertainment venue and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CPHC. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CPHC to locate Canterbury Park Holding Corp, then select the matching NASDAQ listing. Make sure the name and exchange match before proceeding. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm details such as the exchange and the CPHC ticker. Verify that this is the correct stock listing before you continue. Click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as a limit order depending on platform rules. If you do not have sufficient funds, the broker will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro with the exact steps shown is available in the video description.